Marriage registration process in Nepal. If a man and a woman accept each other as the husband and wife through any occasion, ceremony, formal or other act, a marriage shall be deemed to have been concluded. The registration of marriage or court marriage in Nepal is governed by the Chapter of Marriage of Civil Code 2017. Court marriage is a general process that can be fulfilled for both a Nepali citizen and a foreigner by completing prescribed procedures. What are the procedures of marriage registration in Nepal? 1. Marriage registration through court marriage. 2. Marriage registration at local level ward office for those couples who have already been married through a social or religious rituals. What is the eligibility and minimum age of marriage in Nepal? For the completion of marriage registration, some requirements must be fulfilled by the couple that wants to get married. If the eligibility requirement isn't fulfilled, the procedure of marriage cannot be completed. The eligibility criteria for registration of marriage in Nepal are: both male and female must accept each other as husband and wife. Both male and female must not be in a marriage relationship at the time of marriage. Minimum age for marriage is 20 years for both male and female, and the relationship between the male and female must not fall under prohibited incestuous relationship. What are the required documents for court marriage in Nepal? 1. Letter from the concerned ward office of female and male stating that the male and female are either unmarried or divorced and not married again. 2. Application of marriage registration. 3. The deed of consent. 4. 4 copies passport size photograph of each person. 5. Photocopy of citizenship. 6. If the person is concluding marriage from another district other than of his permanent address, minimum of 15 days temporary residence letter from the concerned local level ward office. What are the requirements for foreign citizens to register a court marriage in Nepal? If any foreign citizen is intending to get court marriage done in Nepal, the following documents must be submitted. 1. No objection letter from the respective embassy or consulate in Nepal. 2. Translated notarized copy of the marriage law of the foreign country in Nepali language. 3. A minimum of 15 days proof of residence in Nepal from the concerned local level ward office. And 4. Copy of passport with valid visa. What is the process of court marriage in Nepal? Step 1. Fulfill the eligibility criteria. Step 2. Submission of application with required documents at the concerned district court. Step 3. Decision and the deed of consent. Step 4. Issuance of marriage certificate by district court. What is the procedure of receiving the marriage certificate through ward office? Couple married through specific social or religious rituals must register their marriage for the legal validity. For the said purpose, they need to submit the application at ward office of their permanent resident. They should submit the evidence related to marriage done through the religious rituals. Marriage registration through embassy or consulate office. Pursuant to number 76 and 77 of the Chapter of Marriage of Civil Code, people residing at foreign can register the court marriage before the Embassy of Nepal or Consulate Office located at foreign country. Though the law has provided the marriage registration from the Embassy or Consulate Office, however, in practice, there are no such instances of registration through the Embassy or Consulate Office.